So great to have you along on this Thursday evening, and here's what we want you to be prepared for. Friday for the feels like to be near or just above 100 degrees as we go into the afternoon. It is going to be a hot and muggy day, and with that, when you get that summertime heat and humidity, an isolated chance we get a few storms that will begin to bubble up. So let's preview the heat. First, what that feels like as we go overnight tonight. We're going to stay right around 70 or warmer. It is going to come on quickly through the course of the morning and into the afternoon tomorrow, and I do expect during the peak afternoon hours, we're going to be close to right around 100 degrees with that feels like. Now, should we get a few isolated thunderstorms, it's still a bit of a wild card that could actually act to keep us just a touch cooler. So we're hopeful that that does materialize, at least without the risk of any severe weather. Did have some clouds early today, but now that the sunshine is out, we've risen fairly steadily now through the mid to upper 80s. East winds at 7 miles per hour is where we currently stand, and most areas are right around the mid to upper 80s. There's the brighter skies and sunshine the rest of the evening. It's going to be with us till sundown tonight, which is, yes, now before 9 p.m. Clear skies tonight, but we'll stay very warm and muggy tonight, only falling back close to 70 degrees, and that's going to set the stage for a very hot and muggy day expected on Friday. We're clear of any storms tonight. We've got mostly sunny skies. Any storm threat is now south of I-70 across the southern half of the state. Most areas have been climbing steadily through the upper 80s, close to 90. We've got that mark down in Findlay, 91 in Ottawa, 88 over toward Defiance. But if I widen the picture out, this is going to be quite dramatic. It's in the mid-90s towards Springfield, Illinois, upper 90s in St. Louis. But here it is, the feels like where it is exceptionally humid and muggy off to the south and the west. It feels like 106 in St. Louis, 115 in Springfield, and all the way up to Minneapolis, 101 is what the current feels like. And fortunately for us, our feels like is only right around 90 degrees now. There are some heat advisories in place across Ohio, but they turn to excessive heat warnings, triple-digit highs across much of the Central Plains. And if we put our hour-by-hour forecast into motion, there's where the hot weather is. It breaks off a bit as that ridge builds into our area. So I expect one day of some heat tomorrow. It's going to put us up into the 90s. Now, with that, there is going to be a storm risk. We're very uncertain on where those storms may end up showing up. But if they do materialize, we'll watch for the potential of a few strong storms that will be possible as we go into tomorrow afternoon. Our extended 10-day forecast has highs through the upper 80s and into the 90s as we get into Friday. I expect we're going to see Saturday, Sunday back closer to 80 degrees by the end of the weekend. Early next week, Monday, Tuesday, right around the low 80s, dry, lower levels of humidity, and a few storms will be possible toward the middle of next week. But overall, first week of August, looking dry, quiet, and pleasant. Melissa, back over to you.